Hi lovelies, welcome once again to my channel. In this video we'll be preparing some vegetable chicken soup. This soup is very delicious, healthy and very easy to prepare. You all know that I always like to keep it simple. To start off with, we'll be using about 400 grams of chicken breast, 3 bell peppers, 4 celery stalks. We'll need 6 carrots for this recipe. We'll be adding about 400 grams of mushroom. You can as well substitute this with any vegetable of your choice. We'll also be using 1 fresh tomato, 1 onion, a thumb-sized ginger and about 6 garlic cloves. And we'll be adding some spices. You can use any spices that you've got in your kitchen just to add a little bit of taste. So we've got salt, dry paprika powder, a bit of curry powder and a bit of seasoning cube. We'll also be adding 3 leeks, a handful of basil and parsley. So these are all the ingredients that we'll need for our recipe. So we'll start off by prepping our chicken. We'll slice and cut them into cube-like shapes. After slicing and cubing your chicken, transfer into a clean bowl, then set aside. And please always remember to thoroughly wash your vegetables before prepping them. So at this point, I'm just going to prep or chop all the vegetables that we are going to use and set them aside. Then we can just go ahead and put everything together and then our soup will be ready in less than no time. The thing about this soup is that once your ingredients are all chopped and prepped, it takes less than 10 minutes for your soup to be ready. And guys, this is one of those soup that you just want to prepare on cold weather days during winter when the weather is so cold and you just want something tasty, flavorful and healthy. And this soup is a very healthy recipe for weight loss. If you're trying to lose weight and you don't just want to pack your system with unhealthy calories, food, this is one of those recipes that you can prep and have it throughout the day or substitute some meals during the day. You can have it for lunch in place of having a heavy meal. This is one of those soups that is worth giving it a try. You might not like all the vegetables that I use for this recipe, but you can as well substitute some of the vegetables with those of your choice, and I believe the outcome will still be the same. And if you're coming across my channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. On this channel, I do share a lot of food recipes. So if you like what you see, please consider subscribing. Click the red button and the post notification bell. In that case, you will be notified each time I upload a new video. All my returning subscribers, thank you guys for your support and love. I do not take it for granted. Almost done with preparing all our ingredients, so it's time for us to start putting them together. So in a pan on low heat, add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Allow the oil to heat up for about 10 seconds. Then go ahead and add your chopped onions. Allow the onions to saute for about 30 seconds or so until they become translucent. Then add in your crushed garlic and ginger paste. Then go ahead and give it a good stir for about 10 seconds or so. So go ahead and add your sliced chicken and give it a good stir. Stir for a minimum of 2 minutes. This is because chicken needs more time to cook than the rest of the vegetables. After cooking the chicken for a minimum of 2 minutes, add the chopped tomato and the spices, then give this a good mix. Then add in your chopped carrot, add about a liter of water. If you've got chicken stock, that will be perfectly fine, but in this case I didn't have any, so I had to use just water. Go ahead and add your celery. Give this a good mix. Look at the colors of the soup coming together. Then add your mushroom and give this a good mix as well. And then go ahead and pop the lid on. Allow the soup to cook for about 3 minutes. Add your chopped bell peppers. Give this a good stir. Look at that color. It's just so irresistible, and the aroma that is coming out of this soup is just something else. So we're just going to add in our last ingredients, which are the chopped leeks and the fresh herbs, the parsley and the basil, just to garnish it up. Our soup is all ready and it's time to serve. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and leave me a comment down below what you think of this recipe. Bye bye.